Today, I'll show you how to export reports in Wave Accounting. If you've been navigating through Wave Accounting, you probably know how crucial it is to keep your financial records organized. Whether it's for tax season, a review meeting, or simply keeping track of your financial health, exporting reports can be a vital task. In this tutorial, we're going to break down the entire process step by step so you can easily manage your financial data. To begin, you'll want to head over to the left-hand navigation sidebar of your Wave Accounting dashboard. This is where you can access all the main features of the platform. Look for the option labeled Reports. Clicking on this will open up a whole new window of possibilities, giving you access to a variety of financial reports. Next, you'll need to decide which specific financial report you want to extract. Wave Accounting categorizes these reports to help streamline your search. Under the Financial Statements category, you can choose from reports such as profit and loss, balance sheet, or cash flow. If you're focusing on taxes, the sales tax report will be your go-to. For more detailed insights, you might consider the Detailed Reporting category, where you can select account transactions, also known as the general ledger, trial balance, or customer report. Once you've selected the type of report you need, it's time to set your parameters. This step is essential as it allows you to tailor the report to your specific needs. At the top of the report screen layout, you'll find various filters. Here, you can set the date range, choosing from options like last year or custom, depending on what period you're interested in analyzing. Additionally, you'll need to decide between a cash or accrual accounting basis, which will determine how your financial transactions are recorded and reported. Make sure to set these filters carefully, as they will directly impact the data you see. With your parameters set, you're ready to export the report. Locate the Export button, which you'll find in the top right-hand corner of the report screen layout. Clicking this button will initiate the export process. A drop-down menu will appear, asking you to choose your preferred file format. Typically, you can opt for formats like PDF or CSV, depending on how you plan to use the report. PDFs are great for sharing and printing, while CSV files are useful if you need to manipulate the data in spreadsheet software like Excel. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, exporting reports in Wave Accounting becomes a quick and easy task. Keeping your financial data organized and accessible has never been simpler. Remember, the key is to select the right report type and set your parameters accurately to ensure that the exported data meets your requirements. Now, you can confidently manage your financial records and have them ready whenever needed. Happy accounting!